Hi, hello, welcome to Vision classes. It's a classes for IGCSE, GCSE, AS and A-level students. So we have to discuss here one of the trigonometry question from November 2025, means last year question paper question. So it's a trigonometry question. Here you have solve the equation tan inverse of 5x minus 3 is equal to negative pi by 4. All right. So first of all, just take the tan to the right. So it will be 5x minus 3 is equal to tan of minus pi by 4. Fine. And I hope you might be knowing tan of minus pi by 4 is just a negative 1. So 5x minus 3 is equal to negative 1. If you transfer 3 to the right hand side, it's a positive 3. Positive 3 minus 1 is 2 upon 5. So x is equal to just 2 upon 5. All right, this is the answer. And this is 2 marker question. So you just have to write this much part. That's it. Fine. Now, second part is solve the equation 5 cos square theta is equal to 4 sin theta plus 4 is equal or 4 theta between pi by 2 to 2 pi. Now, see, they have been making every year little bit of challenging here and there, twists and turns and things like that. So this year I am taking this question more specifically for this part only, because they took the range theta between pi by 2 to 2 pi. All right. So if you check earlier all the questions, usually they ask theta between 0 to 2 pi, fine, or negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2 or something. Okay, so they have just made it here little twisted. All right, so here means all these kind of questions and things like that we have covered on our website. Suppose if you go here visionigcse.com and if you see here AS and A level here mathematics, and this mathematics course is for, here we have S and A level. Here you have a pure mathematics complete course is for $30, and this further mathematics $30. All right, physics is also same. Now in this we have added all the detailed things, even more than your existing Cambridge books. All the things we have covered with the help of graphs and detailed solutions. We have provided worksheets. So suppose if you go here, you will see all the things: quadratic function, coordinate geometry, circular measure. Right now we are discussing trigonometry, so all the trigonometric points, identity concepts are covered. Along with that, here we have provided detailed notes, graphs. Fine. Apart from this graphs, we have in the worksheet we have included past year paper questions like one that we are discussing. Here you can see the question November 2010 and all we have included. So, and if you click here solution part, you will see the detailed solution as well, along with the graph, what kind of solution and how to write the solution. It's a main part. That is where the student lacking and student getting lesser grade, and that is what we have tried to build in our website. Okay, so suppose if you are going to take even further math as well, we have did the same thing for, and we are even day by day improving some of the things, such as more specifically derivation part, long derivation part we have included. Okay, similarly here see all this means paper 1, paper 2, 3, mechanics, probability statistic and probability statistic 2. All these 5 books you have to buy this separately. This is what you usually do, but here we have included all the things in $30 and you have access for 2 years. So you will enjoy more than what book provide. Fine. Even we are updating all the necessary past year paper and things like that. We have solved the equation 5 cos square theta is equal to 4 sin theta plus 4. So replace this cos with 1 minus sin square theta and take this part to the left as well. So it's a 5 times 1 minus sin square theta minus 4 sin theta minus 4 is equal to 0. So 5 minus 5 sin square theta minus 4 sine theta minus 4 is equal to 0. Now here we can write 5 sine square theta, 4 sine theta, and 5 minus 4 is just a 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now multiply whole equation by negative symbol. So it will be 5 sine square theta plus 4 sine theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have this is quadratic equation, and if you put out this quadratic coefficients, actually 5, 4 and negative 1 in your the calculator, you will get two sine values. One is sine theta is equal to 1 by 5 fine, and sine theta is equal to minus 1. These are the two values we will get. And here if you draw the sine graph, actually from positive 1 to negative 1, it varies. Yeah, and here 90, 180, 270 and 360, it goes up then down. Yeah, so here we have, it's a pi by 2. This is pi by 2 to 2 pi by 2. We have to figure it out the values. All right, so to find out the value, first of all, 1 by 5 line lies here somewhere around here, so we will get first intersection here. Yeah, then nextly negative 1 value is here, so it's a 3 pi by 2 will be this part. Yeah, then nextly we have to figure it out just only this intersection part. So if you put out calculator, in the calculator sine inverse of 1 by 5, here you will get point. Yeah, so this is pi, right? So you have to do it like this, pi minus sine inverse of 1 by 5. So you will get the exact answer at this point intersection. So it will be around 2.94. Fine. So this is the answer. So we'll get the two values of theta. One is 2.94 and other one is 3 pi by 2 will be the value. Yeah. So this is how means you have to utilize the graph to solve these kind of equation. This is 4 marker question, so you have to solve step by step like this, then and then you will get the correct answer. Otherwise you will end up in making mistakes. So here, you know, they are asking between pi by 2 to 360. So even though if you write this answer, you will unnecessarily lose 1 mark. So we have to write more specifically just a pi minus sine inverse of 1 by 5, because this is symmetric curve. This point and this point lies in symmetric point. All right, so that's why we have to take it like this. Yes, I hope you understood. Just visit our website for more detail these kind of questions as well. Thank you. Enjoy learning.